are in beautiful Denver, Colorado.
You just gotta cut one.
The other one's the same way, Steve. Got the first part cut, getting ready to cut from the inside. We'll cut those lines. You'll see the hollow step out. And then when your basement is been dug out, as this one has, you see the ledge? That's the telltale sign. What ends up happening is we cut through the 2 layers. There's the original footer, and then they built on and dug out the inside of that to shore that up. What we'll be doing is going underneath that, packing that in, putting our own footer down low to catch the old bearing.
Woo, my brush. Yep. That's a hell of a chunk.
Well done, man. Let's get out of here. Oh, but what the mess that you have made. Okay, so there's the bottom. Underneath, there's the old footer, the old wall. So what we're going to do is reinforce that underneath, both sides. So we've set that. We'll run plywood up and fill it with concrete, but we're just extending this portion of the foundation.
Loving it?
Loving it. And this is where we're at on our way out. And we still have some more pouring to do, but we got our first layer in. We'll have to do some cleanup, but it's all packed in. We'll end up packing some more in there. Other window, same deal. It's all temped up. It's got block on the outside. It's locking it in. We'll be all right overnight. A little further than where we were. Still have some touch up to do with the mortar. There's our window. We got truck broke down, so we're waiting on the well. There's our window, there's our hole. That's kind of how it came out.